Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Explore Life with Sutapa. Today I am again out for bird watching and birding after a really long time, almost after 1 month, and I've come to Diara again. The main purpose was to test this mic today and also to see if I get any birds. So let's see what I get. I will let you know once I did the birding. This video was shot in February 2025 at Diara Grassland. I didn't post the video at that time because during that time I have already posted a video on the Diara Grassland birding. Now, since the winter season is almost knocking at the door, hence thought of posting this video, as on that day I got quite a lot of birds. So without any further delay, let's start the video. It was early morning at around 6:30 a.m. when we started for Diara Grassland on February 2025. Recently, we have bought a Digitek Pro 2-in-1 wireless mic speaker to use it for the A-roll in the blogs, and we wanted to test it, so we went to the Diara Grassland. This Digitek mic has cost us around 4,900 or around 5,000. And to make it work with GoPro, we needed a GoPro adapter which cost us around 2000. I am providing the link in the description box if you want to buy it. In the box, there are two transmitters and one receiver mic, and along with it are wire adapters to be used with mobiles and with GoPro. We tested with the mobile that day, which you have already seen in my introduction. After February, I have used this mic for almost every video, and so far it has been good. If you're just starting with blogging, you can also think of buying this mic. I am providing the link in the description box. After testing the device, we spent some time to observe vitamin G, that is vitamin green. The fields are still yellow with mustard. The new crops are planted. Even if someone does not want to do birding, they can spend some time in places like this. How beautiful and serene it looks. We spotted a bird, a barn swallow. Barn swallows are fairly large, colorful swallows. They can be found in open habitats, especially large fields and wetlands. I tried to move further and get a closer look. In Kolkata, they can be spotted around the winter time in the grasslands and farmlands. And how beautiful it was looking against the background. We watched it for some time and then moved ahead. On moving further, we spotted few wagtails, eastern yellow wagtails. Eastern yellow wagtails are attractive ground-dwelling birds. They are common breeder on Arctic tundra from Alaska to Russia, found in grassy and waterside habitats in Southeast Asia, wintering grounds, and in migration. While I was busy shooting the eastern yellow wagtail, a black drongo was watching me. Though a commoner, it was looking beautiful in the morning sunlight. Diara Grassland is a very beautiful place, and it looks even more beautiful during the winter season with the green farms and the mist. While soaking in the greenery, I spotted a bird, and while I was shooting it, I also saw another birder shooting the same bird. It was a blue throat. Blue throats are beautiful bird that is found in India during the winter season. It has a wonderful color on its neck and hence called so. It breeds across Europe and Asia into Alaska, winters in the northern Africa and southern Asia. After shooting the blue throat, I met the birder, Anjan Roy. Anjan is a well-known birder and bird photographer from Kolkata. He is well known among the birding community and he's been birding for quite some time now. While we were chatting and moving ahead, we heard a familiar call, a yellow-bellied prinia. To know about this bird and behavior, you can watch my earlier video on this bird. I am providing the link in the description box. Then Anjan spotted something from a distance. It seemed to be a spotted owlet from a distance. Let's go and check. It's indeed a spotted owlet. We moved further ahead towards it to check if we can get any good shots of the bird. And wow, two pair of eyes peeped from a hole. It was two spotted owlet and they didn't seem very comfortable while we were approaching them. After taking a few shots, we left the spotted owlet area. By this time, the sun was quite harsh and we decided to leave Diara Grassland. Just before leaving, I spotted something in the mustard field, a plain prinia. Then I saw something peeping from the mustard field. It was a garden lizard. These lizards are commonly found among the undergrowth in open habitats, even highly urban areas. These lizards' coloration is variable, sometimes uniform brownish or grayish olive or yellowish. They mainly feed on crickets, grasshopper, insects, and other vertebrates. They play a very important role in the ecosystem as they help to control the population of a wide range of insects in the ecosystem. So, this was all about our birding adventure that day. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as your encouragement motivates me to give videos on YouTube. And if you like such videos, please don't forget to click on the notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. So, till the next video, next series, you all stay healthy, stay happy, and bye for now.